Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to stop reducing animations in X. If you prefer to have animations back in your user experience, this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Tap on Settings and Support. This action will take you to the Settings and Privacy section. Step 4. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Accessibility Language and Display. This is where you can customize your display preferences. Step 5. Inside the Accessibility Language and Display menu, tap on Accessibility. This is where you can adjust accessibility settings. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Reduce Motion and disable it. By turning off this setting, you'll bring back the animations in the X app, enhancing your visual experience. By following these simple steps, you can bring back animations and enjoy a visually engaging user interface in X. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy the vibrant animations and visual appeal in X.